Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the battery and assembly so nothing stalls mid-blend. Inspect the charge indicator. Plug in if under 50% because torque drops as voltage falls. Once charged, lock the blade assembly onto the jar and tighten until it clicks. This prevents leaks. Next, add liquid first to protect the motor and improve suction, then softer fruits, and finally harder items or ice. This order reduces cavitation and helps the blades bite efficiently. You should blend in controlled stages to preserve battery and motor life. Start with 3-5 short pulses to chop large pieces. This avoids overload. Once chunks are reduced, run low to medium speed for 10 to 20 seconds to homogenize. Finally, switch to high for 5 to 10 seconds to smooth the texture. Make sure to watch the motor housing. If it feels hot, pause for 30 seconds after about 1 minute of continuous use to let internal electronics cool. You finish by powering down, slightly loosening the lid to release any vacuum, and then removing the jar. Pour contents out and rinse blades immediately to prevent residue buildup. A quick warm soapy rinse preserves seals. For a deep clean, remove the blade unit, inspect seals, and clean contacts weekly. If the blender won't spin, make sure the battery is charged. Then check blade alignment and remove debris around the shaft. If problems persist, allow the unit to cool and try again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.